The amount of data available to businesses has created incredible demand for people who know how to make good use of data to support decision making. Businesses are also generating more and more data internally as they take advantage of new technologies. All this data can be used to help come up with solutions to a host of questions. Many people we come across believe you need data scientists or programmers to answer these types of questions.
The great news is that you don't need to rely on others to solve your data-related problems. But in fact, you can solve a majority of business problems with the most commonly used predictive methodologies, by yourself, and more importantly, when you need it, all without programming. The Business Analyst Nanodegree will give you the skills you need to prepare a data set, build predictive models, and use the results to solve business problems.
Come join us and take your skills to the next level.